In this exercise, we learn the smudge tool. The smudge tool is basically used to make the color of images softer. It can be used to make the edges of a subject soft as well. Okay, let's see how this tool will work. If I right-click on the blur tool, we can see the smudge tool underneath the sharpen tool. We can also create a shortcut key. Just follow the instructions from the previous blur tool exercise. Okay, now make a new layer on the layer panel from here and select the smudge tool. Make sure the strength is very low and then it will work well, almost 3 to 4%. And slightly start painting on the edges, something like that. It is just making the edges blurred. And you can mix it, something like blending. Okay, now let's increase the strength to see what will happen. And let's start painting on it, something like that. We can see this kind of effect. This is actually the best tool to use in painting effects. I love it. Okay, now check above some more options. Make sure to work on soft edges and keep it normal, and your strength can be increased or decreased. If you're working with a new layer, check this on. Okay, next we have figure painting. Okay, if I check this on and choose the foreground color by double-clicking on it, make a new layer, and start painting on it. We can use different colors, something like that. We can continue to work on it to make it better. I'm just giving you ideas on how we can implement this tool in Photoshop. I suggest you keep experimenting. Okay, in the next exercise, we will learn the dodge tool.